Why do most traders lose money even when they have a strategy? The problem is not the strategy, and it's not the market. The problem is that the market does not move in a straight line. Price fluctuates, it expands ranges, makes corrections, forms false impulses, and stops traders out at the exact moment when doubt begins. Single entries ignore the structure of movement. Attempts to guess the top or the bottom turn trading into chaos. And emotions destroy even the most logical system. But what if the market is not chaotic? What if price truly moves in waves? And what if these waves can be recognized, analyzed, and used automatically? That is exactly the principle behind Elliott Wave EA, a professional trading expert advisor for MetaTrader 5, designed for systematic analysis and automated trading based on market wave patterns. Wave structure, the language of the market. The market does not speak in candles, it speaks in structure. Impulses, corrections, expansions, contractions. All movements follow repeating patterns. Elliott Wave EA views the market not as a random set of fluctuations, but as a sequence of logically connected waves. 32 wave patterns, a map of price movement. The advisor analyzes 32 types of wave models, 16 M-type patterns, bearish structures, 16 W-type patterns, bullish structures. Each pattern consists of 5 key points. A. Wave start. B. First extreme. C. Corrective move. D. Second extreme. E. Structure completion. These points are not drawn manually. They are calculated automatically based on price history. You don't guess. You don't interpret subjectively. Mathematics does the work for you. How the system recognizes waves. The analysis is based on the zigzag algorithm. It filters out market noise and identifies real extremes, not random price fluctuations. 3 key parameters control accuracy. Depth, analysis depth, defines how many bars are analyzed to confirm an extreme. Higher values mean more significant waves. Deviation, noise filter, sets the minimum price deviation required to form a new extreme. This protects against false waves during ranging markets and low volatility. Backstep, structure protection, the minimum distance between extremes that prevents point duplication and preserves clean wave geometry. Additionally, the hist size parameter defines the depth of historical analysis. The system analyzes market context, not just the current chart segment. A pattern is found. What's next? After recognizing a structure, Elliott Wave EA does something ordinary indicators do not. It forecasts future price movement, and it does so using 2 scenarios. Evolution and mutation, 2 future scenarios. Evolution, continuation of the current wave. Evolution means logical development. The market does not reverse, it continues. The system identifies the current pattern, knows which pattern logically follows, calculates target levels based on wave proportions. This is trend-following trading, working with market strength, not trying to catch reversals. Mutation, change of wave structure. Mutation is a moment of transformation. When one structure ends, the market may switch from a bullish model to a bearish one, or vice versa. The system analyzes pattern completion, evaluates valid transformation options, calculates a probable reversal point. This is a more aggressive scenario, but it allows entry at the very beginning of a new move. You can trade evolution, only trade mutation only, or use both approaches. Full control is in your hands. Trade direction control. Elliott Wave EA adapts to any market phase. 3 modes are available. Buy and sell. Trade both directions. Buy only. Long positions. Only. Sell only. Short positions only. This is especially important. In strong trends on indices during long-term moves, you don't change the strategy, you simply define the direction. Risk management, a system, not hope. Even the best idea without risk control will eventually destroy an account. That's why Elliott Wave EA includes a professional capital management system. 2 position sizing methods: fixed lot, stable position size, full control, predictable behavior, percentage of balance, dynamic calculation, automatic adaptation, scaling as the account grows. You choose the risk level. The system does everything else. Trade protection and position management. The advisor supports stop loss, take profit trailing, stop break. Even all mechanisms respect broker limitations, work correctly during high volatility, require no manual intervention. Trailing stop locks in profits as price moves. Break-even protects from returning to loss. Any element can be disabled, leaving only what fits your strategy. Entry filters. Protection from bad market conditions. Before every entry, the system checks acceptable spread, minimum time between trades, minimum distance between positions, daily limits on number of entries. If any condition is violated, the trade is not opened. This protects against news volatility, low liquidity, impulsive overtrading. The system does not rush. It waits for the right conditions. Visualization. You see the system's logic. Elliott Wave EA is not a black box. Displayed on the chart, points A, B, C, D, E, connecting lines, support and resistance levels, wave labels, projected targets. You see the logic, not just signals. This makes the advisor a trading tool, an educational system, a visual market map. Information panel and statistics displayed on the chart. Current pattern, next. Evolution pattern, next. Mutation pattern, projected price targets. Forecast accuracy statistics. You understand which logic works better for a specific instrument and time frame. Suitable for all markets, Elliott Wave EA works effectively on Forex, USD, GBP USD, USD-JPY metals, XAU USD, XAG USD energy, Brent, WTI cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum indices, S&P 500, Dow Jones. Waves exist everywhere there is liquidity. Who Elliott Wave EA is for? This advisor is for those who value structured discipline, control, automation, no emotions, no guessing, no chaos, only logic, only patterns, only a system. Test Elliott Wave EA in MetaTrader 5. Study the wave structure of the market. Start trading with understanding, not by chance. Your path to profit starts here, Forex-EA.com.